Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate WAG. For dog walking payouts, quick to activate WAG. For dog walking payouts, first, open the WAG app on your mobile device. Log into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the profile icon in the top corner and tap on it. In the profile menu, select the settings option. Scroll down until you find the payouts section. Tap on payouts to enter the payouts settings. You will be prompted to enter your preferred payment method. Choose between direct deposit or a third-party payment service like PayPal. If selecting direct deposit, enter your bank account details carefully. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. After entering your payment details, save your changes. Return to the settings menu and check for any additional payout preferences. If necessary, set any payout thresholds according to your preference. Once everything is set up, verify your settings to confirm they are correctly saved. Your WAG account is now prepared for dog walking payouts. You can start accepting jobs and enjoy your earnings. Remember to check your payout history periodically for accurate tracking. That's all you need to do to activate WAG for your dog walking payouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.